Okay. Here's Cotton. There's a cat up there. Come here. Hasn't seen it yet. Smells. 2 feet above. Hasn't seen it yet. Look. Oh, heard it hissing. Saw it. It ran away. He did nothing. Let's see if I can find another one. Come here, Boo-Boo. Come here, sweet angel. Come here, sweet angel. Okay. Oh, there's Church again. Right there. The corner right there. I think she saw it again. Definitely saw it that time. Come here, Mama. Come here, Mama. She keeps saying it. Oh, she definitely saw it just now. She seems to not care. There was another one over here. Let's see. If it went away, I'm going to stop this. No, I'll keep recording. Hold on. Let's see. There was one over here. Come over here, Mama. Oh, I see the tail. I see the tail right under. Come here, Mama. Come here, Mama. Good job. You're doing so good. There's a tail right under there. Come on. Come on, Mama. You're doing so good. Come on. Come here, Mama. Come on, Mama. You're doing so good. Well, anyway, I don't have any other cats, but she didn't mind the gray cat.